mannequins on the Artemis, Joseph. So I
Okay.
wonder if they had if their faces were sad, if they changed.
I'm
I just
sure,
imagine
Jenny,
these
yes.
the storefront freaky mannequins in
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
sure that's
yeah.
not what they look like, but
Well, I know they had an 80% chance to get that rocket going because of the
yeah,
weather, and then you could see it kind of deteriorated, but they had a
yeah.
lot of other issues going
Well,
on there. So,
fingers crossed for Friday.
yes, Friday.
Yeah.
We'll
Well,
get there.
nice week anyway. It's gonna be a little hot
A
though.
little hot for us here locally. Yeah, I think we'll be really close to some record heat here today, tomorrow, and maybe even into Wednesday, although Wednesday is kind of a far stretch there. But today we still have a forecast to have 92. The record's 95. 1944. Tomorrow we are likely on the same path as the previous record of 1987 of 98 degrees, so we'll be very close there. By the time we get to Wednesday, it does shoot up to 102 degrees as we wrap up the month of August. So we've had over 20 days where we've hit at least 90 degrees, and we're at 23 right now. You can see some of the longer list right here. 2018, we had 31. That's the record. Will we get there? Well, I think after this week, we may be closer to about 26 or 27. 31 may still be a little out of reach, but the trend is to keep us going as we go into early September. You may be thinking, well, when are we going to actually build a truce here with Mother Nature and get some cooler air in finally, and we'll get rid of some of this heat? Well, usually we kind of see our last 90-degree day in the early month of September here. And so you can see last year was August 15th. The year before that was September 7th. So some years, maybe even into the second week of September. So I think it's still possible that we are going to throw a few more 90s on that list, and we'll likely see at least another round of heat even after this one because the models are kind of trending that way. All right, here's Vancouver as we look out towards the southwest. You can see Mount Hood over the building there. Yeah, that thin layer of some clouds, some cirrus clouds kind of streaking across the sky, and a bit of some wildfire smoke mixing in as well. Mount Hood Meadows, some blue sky there. Common theme, yeah, wherever you're at here across the state of Oregon or up in Washington, we just have some thin clouds moving in. We have this beautiful view coming out of Lincoln City right now. All right, satellite and radar, we are dry over the top of us, and it's been dry for over 50 days now. That's another streak that we're getting close to beating some of the top notches there, and we'll talk more about that here in just one second. Not a lot going on. We do have that southerly flow, though, and that's going to allow for some of that wildfire smoke to move on in. Well, what's this? Well, we have this massive trough right here, and that is going to try to push to the east, but before it can get there, it's being blocked by this ridge that's developing. Let me show you this. Here it is, right here. You can see this green and the blue there, this trough. That's usually some cooler air, a little bit of rain, some clouds. Well, we have this massive ridge that's going to develop. It's going to push everything to the north, and we're going to tap into this heat over the next couple of days. That's why we're seeing those temperatures warm up today, definitely by tomorrow and Wednesday, and then we'll kind of keep the heat going on as we go through the week. We are looking at this little kink here in the jet stream, which may produce some cooler air on Friday. But weather models are trying to lean back to maybe some heat, so we'll have to see if this comes to fruition. We'll keep an eye on that. We could use that. We have another very strong ridge by Sunday, expecting our temperatures again to probably jump to near 90 degrees at that point in time. All right, here's the next 48 hours. You can see those high, thin clouds moving in from the south and a mix of some wildfire smoke. Today, we warm up into the lower 90s. Early tomorrow morning, here's 65 degrees. We get to the afternoon, we start to see a few more clouds and temperatures jumping up into the upper 90s. So we really have some heat coming up the next couple of days. All right, beyond that though, Jenny, I have us at 90 on Thursday, 83 degrees there on Friday.